to green my dry ass hair instead of your feathers. This is Mochi Lovey Birdie. I am here with Mochi and we are going to make a video today on a box of products we got. These are bird products that I ordered for Mochi to go in her cage to celebrate fall and decorate for fall birdie style. I think it's hilarious and fun. Okay, so we've now opened the box and I'm going to show you what we have inside. Mochi's going to hang out up on her cage as I take things out. The first thing I'm seeing is this really adorable little like flower pot. This little sunflower and thing to chew on. I'm going to put it up here. Mochi seems to be afraid of it. Anyway, maybe she'll get interested in a minute. All of these things are going to go into her cage. I'm probably going to move some things around and decorate her cage for fall. This is cute. So this is a little bag. We're going to open this and see what's in here. You want to hold this box for me? My assistant will hold the box. Mochi is staring at the flower, but she's not interested. Oh, so this is her business card. I don't know if you're going to be able to read it or not. Little Monsters Bird Toys. And I will put the link for her Etsy shop and for her website below. Oh look, there's a little foot toy. The little, it's like stuff for her to chew on, and there's little cute little fall leaves on each side. Like that. Mochi's kind of afraid of everything. Oh. We might like a toy. What do you think? That's the first time she's ever shown any interest in a toy, so winning. Okay, where's the box, Shiloh? Go get it. We need to open the next thing. Is that a good toy? Do you like it? Is that fun? Oh, it's okay. Don't get freaked out. She's still a baby, guys, so she's, you know, she gets freaked out easily. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. Ooh, this is really cute. This is kind of big. It seems to me like bigger things sort of scare her. But how cute is that? I love the colors. These are really cute hanging in her cage. Look at this, Mochi. I'm just going to put it over here. It won't hurt you. It's just the toy. Go see it. Go see what it is.
It's like a playground.
She's like so not sure. Oh, she likes that one little toy because it's very non-threatening. It's very tiny. What do we have here? We have another little hangy thing with popsicle sticks. It's all in fall colors. Sorry, Moch. Fall colors, adorable. Things she could like perch on, things she could chew on.
There you are.
We would that birds like. What do you think, Moch? What do you think of that one? She's not looking super impressed over there. We have one more package to open up. Let's see what's in here. She really liked that little tiny thing. Oh my gosh, this. I actually ordered this separately. This did not come with the surprise packages. This is because I thought it was so adorable. This is a little perch, so it will screw into the cage, and it's got little leaves and things, and you can put little toys or treats in here. I think it's going to be so perfect. I can actually put this that she was playing with like right in there, maybe like that, so she could get to it and chew on it. Is that cute or what? I cannot wait to decorate her cage. So, Mochi, come here. I want you to stand on this. Come here. Step up. Step up. Here we go. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Here. Look. Look, the people want to see you because this video is like about you. So they want to see you. Anyway, I think I'm going to put this in her cage. And hopefully she likes it. She wants to fly on my head right now. I feel it coming. I feel it coming. All right. With that, we're gonna go. I'm gonna insert some pictures of what her cage looks like with her new fall decor. And as always, you admiring my beautiful headpiece? As always, give our video likes, thumbs up, and subscribe, and we will see you next time.